Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. So today I want to share my project progression for week 5, 6 and week 7. So let's go starting with week 5. So what happened on week 5 is my panel asked me to change my project criteria. I now need to have three things to check, which are color, shape and defect, using only one pi camera sensor only. So because of this, I spent time thinking about a new criteria and application to make a new objective. I also did a lot of finding and research on the requirement needed for this new objective. And finally, I ended the week by discussing the new criteria with my project members through online message. Okay, so let's moving on to week 6. So it was a very busy week. I had a meeting with my supervisor to discuss our new objective, and my project members also had a meeting to discuss what type of shape and sorting mechanism to make. So after that, I made a new slide presentation with the new project scope and update my form A3. Then I tried to get my forms approved. So I met with Sensei Hajar, but my A3 form was not approved because of my objective and project title. So later I met with my supervisor, and while my A2 was signed, my A3 was rejected again because of my objective. So thankfully the next day I managed to get my A3 approved by my supervisor and then approved by Sensei Hajar. However, my A1 form was not approved because it did not relate to the project. So I managed to go to clinic to get a new A1 form. So finally, in week 7, I continue researching and finding a new clinical or pharmacy company to get approval for the A1 form, since the previous one from Proton was rejected for not being related to the medical field. So I also spent time studying the YOLO architecture and learning how to train a custom multi-class object detection model for color, shape and effects. And then I prepare this training process using Google Colab, since my physical hardware had not arrived yet and not by yet. So I spend the rest of the week updating and finalizing my weekly activities and summaries report for week 5 to week 7, so I could prepare the final documentation to submit to my supervisor. This is all for my update. Thank you for watching.